Hey, I'm Dan, taco expert, pickleball enthusiast, and real estate agent at State 48 Living, brokered by Best Homes Real Estate. Today, I'm going to reveal how home staging can dramatically increase the sales price while lowering the potential days on market, which we all know is extremely important if you need to sell your home. Stick around to the end as we tour this amazing Tempe home. You're going to get the full effect of why staging is so important when listing your home. So as you may know, I have a proven and repeatable system backed by market research to help you as home sellers get up to 18% more money for the sale of your home using this expert smart home selling system. This system composes of 7 laws and 115 different variables. Well, if managed well, will get you up to 18% more money. One of those variables is in law number 2. In law number 2, the law of differentiation, we're going to talk about expert home staging advice. And we're going to run down the top 10 reasons why you should have a staged home. Staging a home can significantly impact its sale both in the terms of the selling price and the time it spends on the market. Here are 10 key facts highlighting the importance of staging a home compared to selling it unstaged. Number 1, faster sale. Homes that are staged often sell faster than those that are not. According to the Real Estate Staging Association, staged homes spend 73% less time on the market. This faster sale time is attributed to the potential buyer's ability to visualize the property as their future home more easily. Number 2, higher selling price. The National Association of Realtors, or NAR, reports that staged homes sell for 1% to up to 5% more than unstaged homes. In some cases, particularly in competitive markets, this percentage can even be higher. Number 3, enhanced first impressions. First impressions are crucial in real estate sales. Staging a home helps create a more appealing first look, which can be critical in online listings where photos are the first thing potential buyers see. Number 4, highlighting the home's strengths. A well-staged home accentuates the property's positive aspects while minimizing its flaws. This can make a significant difference in how potential buyers can perceive the space. Number 5, an emotional connection. Staging helps in creating an emotional connection with buyers. When a home is effectively staged, it's easier for buyers to imagine living there, which can motivate them to making a higher offer. Hey, number 6, better online photos. In the digital age where most home buyers start their search online, attractive photos are key. Staged homes photograph better, resulting in more attractive listings that draw more interest. Have you ever been online and seen one of those houses that hasn't decluttered? It's unbelievable. Number 7, appealing to a wider audience. Staging a home often involves getting rid of all those personalized decor, which can help the property appeal to a broader range of buyers. This increases the likelihood of finding a buyer quickly. Have you ever been in one of those houses where you saw a god-awful piece of art and all you wanted to do was run? I have. Number 8, reduced need for negotiations. Homes that are staged typically present themselves better and they're perceived well-maintained. This can reduce the need for negotiations over issues like repair credits. It kind of gives the buyers I have to have it. And they don't care because that home looked so good to them that they're willing to make an offer to get that home today because they don't want to lose out. Number 9, giving you the professional edge. Using professional staging services can give a home competitive edge over other listings in the neighborhood, particularly in a market with tons of available properties. Number 10, return on investment. While there are costs associated with staging a home, the potential return on investment through a higher selling price, less days on the market, often outweighs the expenses to hire a stager or stage the home. In summary, staging your home is a valuable part of my home selling system to get you up to 18% more money. We're going to enhance the property's appeal, speeding up the sales process and potentially increasing the sales price. If you'd like to learn more about my proven system to get you up to 18% more money, head over to dankarcher.com, give me a call, or shoot me a text. You ready for that home tour I promised? We're in Tempe, Arizona at a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 1972. This home is 2,072 square feet. It's currently on the market, December 12th, 2023 for $675,000. Let's go take a look. First thing we're going to come to is this nice staged front patio. Excellent place to get a feel for what it's like to hang out in the front of the house. Right when we open the door, we see the staged dining room. You know exactly what to do there. That's where your family's gathering to eat every night. From this point of view, you see that the family room near the fireplace is staged with 3 chairs. You get a great feel for what it's like to be cozy near that fire and what the furniture is going to look like in that space. They did an excellent job by bringing some color to this kitchen countertops with the use of the lemons, the green, and the little sign. The wine and the wine glasses shows you what that little area or wine bar could be used for. In case you didn't know, that's the pantry. In this room, here's the after picture and the before picture of what this room looked like staged and unstaged. See the difference? Obviously, it makes a huge difference seeing furniture in this space. I love what they did with the bathroom. They had a throw carpet, nice white, clean hanging towels, some little pictures on the countertops, a little sea coral, some starfish. Good use of space, good use of staging. Now we're in the bedrooms. These bedrooms, it's an older home built in the 70s. It's tough to really get a good feel for what size bed will fit in there, what the room will look like. With a vacant room, the space almost always looks smaller than what it really is. Same goes for the second bedroom as well. Here's the third bedroom. Again, looks tinier than what it is, even in video. Onto the primary suite. Got a little greenery, little relax sign. Definitely, gives you that spa feel, that spa vibe. Staging helps create that feeling, that space. In this primary bedroom, you can see that the home is not staged. But boom! These are the listing photos. The agent did a good job at staging the house, getting it ready for the internet. What do you think? Which one would you rather see when you walked into the house? The photo or this nice empty room? Imagine which one's going to get you more money. Alright, here's the biggest no-no. I get that it's a safety thing, right? You put the pool fence up. Oh, by the way, I love those staged chairs right there. Shows you how cool that little space is entering to the kitchen. But where I was going was this pool fence. They're missing an opportunity to showcase this space and how open it is to the patio. That fence just shows that you're just running out of room. take that fence down, it opens up that backyard. It becomes unbelievable space. Just imagine how open this would look without that pool fence. It's unbelievable. Hey, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel if you want more real estate advice and expert advice on how to get you up to 18% more money for the sale of your home.